Hey folks, what's going on? I am your host, Mr. Hands, aka Head Savage. Don't you just like that sound? Anyhow, today what I want to show you is I got a hidden secret that you might not have known about. It's inside of a combination square. You might have known about it. If you have known about it, then fine. You might still want to watch this video, but if you haven't, I have a treat for you. Okay, what we're going to start with is just acknowledging the fact that we have a 12-inch ruler. We have a 90-degree angle here, and then we have a 45-degree angle here. What the combination square is also good for is here. You have your leveler. You can use it to do 90-degree angles. That way, still a good feature. And you can also use it this way to do 45-degree angles. The part that I am most impressed with, and this goes real good if you're a sheet metal worker, and this is also the hidden feature in the tool, but this guy right here, what you want to do is unscrew that there, and as you can see, it looks like a little needle. But what this is actually is a scriber. And how the scriber is used is, and how the scriber works is you put it on the edge of whatever you're trying to measure up or mark. You put your scriber on the end of it and scribe a nice line down it like that. And this line is good for sheet metal. You can also put a 45-degree line. Like so. So this guy right here comes in real handy. What you got to do is just be careful when you use it. Place it back in its home. The combination square is a great tool for anybody doing sheet metal work and mostly duct work, but it works great with sheet metal. If you didn't know that feature, like and subscribe and leave a comment. If you did know about that, you can also still leave me a comment and tell me how you found out about it. I actually found out about it because I was wondering what this was one day. I said, there's nothing for it to adjust. And I know this one is for adjusting the ruler. And, I was like, well, what's the purpose of this guy? So I just kept twisting it. And it came out, and I said, oh, and I already know what a scriber does, and I already knew that that would have been, that is supposed to be a scriber. The combination square is also great for wood projects. I just like using it for sheet metal. I use a lot bigger speed square and ruler for woodworking, but for small projects and wood, it's also good for that as well. All right, that's the end of the video. If you found this video interesting, please feel free to leave me a comment, give me a thumbs up, like and subscribe, and tell me how you found out about the scriber that's hidden inside your combination square. Thanks for watching.